that. It's the language that ties all of those together. So I was trying to get them to reflect maybe on their place names, on the influences that have happened on the Isle of Man over the centuries and the different heritage, and the importance of history. The importance of history and understanding the history and understanding where they have come from. And that they themselves would realise that they have a unique opportunity and that they're in a privileged position to be bilingual, Béarla agus Gaeilge Bhannan, because that is a really privileged position for them to be in. And buchas don Vunscoil Gaeilge, and credit to the parents who made the decision to send their children there. Some of them may have been taking a leap of faith into the unknown.
Yeah.
Now, of course, we know in Ireland, that taking that leap of faith is really advantageous for the children, and all of the research has shown that over years and years and years that this is a great benefit to the children. So I'm confident that with all of the research that supports bilingual education and the use of minority languages, that parents see the benefit of this now, and going into the future that the old myths are being exploded one by one, and that there are only advantages to be gained by education trí Bhananish for their children. And the children, may I say, are proof enough of that for me, because of the way they carry themselves and behave, and because of the way and the pride that they have in their own language and in their own culture was really evident to our children. So I was trying to just reflect that back upon them and get them to think about that, because in our school scenario here in Ennis, we have about 9 teachers, past pupils, who are back teaching with us. So the system has created a conveyor belt of educators. There are many, many more who are teaching in other Gael Scoileanna and other English medium schools, but we have 9 teachers who are back on our staff, having been educated in the school. So that's ahead of you. And that's going to happen, okay, Lacoon of Day.